Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to check Spotify hours listened. For that, go and open your Spotify app. Then what you need to do is wait for a few seconds, and after opening your Spotify, go to your profile, and there you will see listening stats, and there you will see mini wrapped summaries, and there you will see mini wrap. That is the summary of your top tracks and artists for current and previous week. And this is how you see Spotify hours listened. Or you can also go to your settings, and check your screen time, and that will also show how many hours you have spent on Spotify. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.